Hey, how's it going, guys? Jack and Maddie with the Toaster Bros, and today is a sad day because we are doing the worst rated setup from Amazon.
So we have right here are a bunch of peripherals and this beautiful monitor that are the worst rated products on Amazon and altogether make the worst rated setup. How bad can they really be? Well, we're about to find out, but first, a word from today's sponsor.
Looking for an affordable gaming headset? Well, today's video sponsor Corsair has you covered with their new HS55 stereo headset featuring great gaming audio along with a built-in omnidirectional microphone that is Discord certified and compatibility for PC, Mac, and the latest consoles. Oh, and it is one of the most comfortable headsets I have worn at this price point. It features all-day comfort that I don't see a lot in budget headsets. Learn more about this headset by checking the link down below, and special thanks again to Corsair for sponsoring today's video.
So of course we don't recommend that anybody does this. We will likely put affiliate links, but they'll probably be for other products that we actually do recommend because every single product you see here we brought separate. So it's not like this was just one bundle. We had to individually find the monitor, mouse, keyboard, and all that stuff, and we're now going to put it all together to make the ultimate one-star product. And after reading some of this stuff, you guys are going to absolutely love what it says because, yeah, I mean, this stuff, there's a reason it has a low rating.
And one thing to keep in mind is the gaming PC is not going to be a part of this. We're going to have just a general gaming PC to be able to test these peripherals. We're mainly focused on, you know, if you at home have a PC and want to build the rest of the stuff like this monitor, which this monitor is a doozy. You could get something like this and add it to your computer. So how we're gonna do this is unbox each individual thing, go back and forth, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how I found this and why I chose it. All right, so first up we got the monitor. I went 20 pages deep on Amazon to find this monitor. It has a 3.5 star review average, and it was really hard to find a monitor that had less than that. That was literally the worst I could find 20 pages in, and yeah, Jackson's just gonna go over the box here real quick.
So based on the little barcode up top, we can tell it's a 21.5-inch monitor, more than likely just 60 hertz. Could be less though, you never know. And it's the same front and back, so I'm just gonna read. So in big letters, narrow bezel, LED display. And then we have, they want it to face upward. Okay, simple enough. It is afraid of wet. It is afraid of water. So don't put water on it after midnight. It's kind of like
it's very scary.
Yeah, it's kind of like a gremlin. It's light with light. Don't even, maybe they're saying that it's light. I don't know, that's the only thing I can guess. Please don't trample, okay, makes sense. Limit of stack layers, meaning don't stack too many of these on top. And the last one says, wee!
Just like that.
The only thing I can think is like, don't throw it away. I guess if the monitor goes bad. It also says LED certification. I've never heard of that certification, but the LEDs are certified. And then we have a ton of certifications here that I'm assuming are all fake because I don't see how it could have gotten all these certs with the kind of broken English we have on it. But I mean, yeah, how bad could a 21.5-inch monitor really be? I doubt it could be that bad, but we'll open it up, see what it looks like anyways. It looks very standard for the unboxing experience right now. I guess it could be broken. That could be pretty bad.
That was most of the reviews. The ones that were negative was it just showed up broken. But there's only like 2 of those and the rest are like, it's fine.
Okay, so the packaging doesn't look too bad and it seems like a pretty thin monitor. The brand is ZFT VNIE. Like, is that a word, an abbreviation? I'm not really sure. Yeah, we got a few things on the other side. We got, looks like it's VESA mountable maybe, because I see a bunch of screws here. The stand's just a real thin wire, like, sorry, not wire, metal stand.
Wire.
Yeah, wire. That would make a whole lot of sense. And yeah, just a single screw. Actually, no, you know what? Maybe it's not VESA because, oh, it is. Yeah, so 4 screws that hold this in, and yeah, 4 screws that go here, but it is VESA mountable, so that's cool. Yeah, we'll definitely get this thing built. You guys don't wanna watch me build it, it'll be boring. But we'll get it built though, and we'll try it with the setup, but it looks good. I mean, we'll take this plastic off, and the main thing about a monitor is no matter how good the screen looks, if you turn it on, there's a good chance that it's an LCD, liquid crystal, that the actual liquid crystal could be cracked somewhere and leaking out. We won't know until we turn it on though.
Now we have the keyboard, which was a 3.5 star special. Went 20 page deep again on Amazon to find this one, and yeah, 3.5 stars was the lowest I could find. A lot of these peripherals, I mean, I don't know if Amazon just filters out the absolute garbage for us, or there just isn't that bad of a keyboard. How bad can you mess up a keyboard? So yeah, 3.5 stars. This is from Mage-G. So this one, for some reason, wasn't a winner. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see. I believe it's supposed to come with like red switches, so got that covered. And yeah, USB-C, practical. So like, it wasn't that expensive. It just probably is a cheap keyboard that people just didn't like, and frankly, it feels pretty well built actually. Yeah, it is. It should be mechanical. It should be red switches. I'll verify here in a second once I take off take off the escape key because that's just, you know, traditional. That's what you do here. Boom. Yeah. Box red switches. Let me go ahead and verify that price real quick. 30% off coupon right now, so you can save, yeah, it's like 20 bucks. So $29.99, it's close to $20 after the discount. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I mean, it's a keyboard. It looks good. Yeah, TKL, so standard TKL. And on the back here, there's a switch. Is this thing also wireless?
Oh,
it
is. It is wireless.
A wireless keyboard for under 30. Maybe that's the problem with it. Maybe the wireless doesn't work properly.
And mechanical? I mean, I feel like you can't, I mean, I already wasn't complaining for 20 bucks, you're getting a mechanical light up keyboard.
Yeah, I don't know where people are complaining about this, and it has like this little badge right here. This seems pretty premium for the price.
This might get a real affiliate
This
link.
might be a real product, guys. Maybe there's something going on here. You know, maybe the bots have made it to Amazon and made this product look bad. But I mean, so far, it's in good condition. It is what it is. And I guess we'll just see how it pairs with the rest of the setup. I really don't have much to say about this. This is a pretty easy unboxing right here.
So next up, ladies and gentlemen, we have the, what I can only presume to be Awa. I mean, that's what it looks like. I don't know how else to say it. But this one, from what Matt was seeing, is basically a rebrand headset, meaning there's probably a company that mass manufactures these, and then other companies get a hold of them, they put their own logo or name on it. You can see right here, they probably literally just do this, and that's all that's custom about it, I would bet. $17, I mean, can't expect a whole lot from a headset. We've done some headset roundups for under 20. We've seen some pretty decent ones. This looks very similar to the ones we've seen. So as you can see here, we got some technical parameters, which look to be pretty detailed. I like this though, where it says life on music. The retractable hardware is suitable for long wear with ease and ease. So that's good. I like knowing that it has double the ease.
It has double the ease.
This headset will be for sale at PCPros.tech for $2.
The box has been through it.
The box has been through it all. It's been in quite a few countries probably. Why did they do it like this? There we go. Oh God. So this is one of your typical, to get the lighting, it uses USB power, which I've never been a big fan of. I always think that's kind of like extra because realistically, you only need these two right here plugged in to actually use the headset, but if you want to have your lighting and whatnot. Now this is gaudy. I mean, my God. This is like the biggest interface I've ever seen. I guess on the one bright side, it's, no, it's not. I was gonna say it's pretty close to the end, but no, you're wearing this. You might as well just tape it to your chest. Okay, so the headset itself, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, the ear cuffs, the sponge ear cuffs sound pretty good.
Does it feel like SpongeBob?
And this feels really good too, which I'm a surprise. It's actually stitched too. It actually has mesh on the inside and everything. It has a cheap little mic on it that probably sounds like awful, but it does flip down and everything. They're adjustable.
Be sure not to twist.
We're limit testing. We're limit.
Look
at that. Not bad. Okay, let me see if they're comfy though. Do you notice how they're like, not on my ear?
Is your head uneven? Are you discovering something today?
I don't know, dude. Like you can try them on, but they like don't. Maybe your big head will fit them. They're like the bottoms come off your ear.
I don't like. These are incredibly uncomfortable.
Dude, they're not even attached to your ear.
Oh man, these SpongeBob ear cups. They don't feel
like
great.
A great big
I feel like I'm in Bikini Bottom right now. Now the mouse is kind of a letdown because I went through so many pages to try to find like a really horrible mouse, but I couldn't find anything below 4.5 stars, which I don't think is that bad. What I opted for is a mouse that is $5. This mouse is $5. The GMX7 has durable switch gaming mouse sensor. It has Blade Hawk's colorful illumination game and office mouse. So we're gonna open it up. Again, a $5 gaming mouse obviously beats the Model O. I mean, look at the lightweightness right there.
I think the main problem is like all the reviews, if people are practical, they're not gonna rate it like it's a nice mouse. They're gonna say the same thing. It's a $5 mouse, what do you expect?
Exactly, so. I mean, it's pretty lightweight. There's a big little, RGB thing going on there, which we'll plug up whenever we get to setting everything up. But so yeah, there's that. The Blade Hawks, made in China. It is what it is. It's got a nice lightweight cable though. I mean, it's pretty cool to see a $5 mouse with that. Oh man, it looks like I won a prize. Oh no, just 24-month warranty. 45-day refund with no reasons. So good on them for providing that. Freely play like human hands and mouse integration. Will be the channel in your real life in the virtual world. Holy moly, that was
Do you feel tired
sick.
yet?
I feel very tired.
I feel tired from reading these.
Yeah, so Jackson's gonna take a look at this thing.
All right. Lastly, guys, we have our extended mouse mat. And did you say this one has a 1-star?
So there's only one rating and it's a 1-star and it said bad print. So yeah, it's really hard to find a mouse pad that's like awful unless it has like chemicals on it or something.
Warfare.
Yeah, smell real. Oh.
smells weird. It smells like a big tire shop.
As a design that it doesn't make sense to me. Just
Really?
kind of like purple marble or something.
Okay, yeah, so I can see how this would seem like a bad print because it looks super faded when you get on this side. I don't know if that's by design or not, but I could see what they mean by that. It just looks dirty. Like, it's like yellow over here, but white over here.
The design just doesn't make it look good. I don't know if you would want this.
Look at this one. That looks like I spilled coffee on it.
That does look like Zach spilled coffee on it.
I mean, how much was this, you know?
This was like $15.
Yeah, you can get way better ones for $15. Like, I would get a plain black one that maybe just has like a logo at the bottom. But I don't know, maybe this is your aesthetic. Maybe you have something that matches it. Maybe you have a really cool granite or marble countertop that this matches and you want to put this mouse mat in. It's called a purple gold marble gaming mouse in girl's gift. Yeah, so I guess it's supposed to mimic marble. They did a good job.
So yeah, we're gonna go and put this setup together, grab a PC that isn't bad, and then actually play games on it and see how bad this whole setup is. It's all put together, but of course,
Dual keyboards.
in this fashion, we have a problem.
So it says that, like, okay, so here's the dumbest thing. It has an on-off switch. Matt and I were like, oh, super cool, it's Bluetooth. But that's also a problem apparently because whether you turn it on or off, when it's plugged in, you notice that the lights are still on. That's because it's still on. It's getting power and everything. It's direct connected to the computer, yet we cannot get any typing whatsoever. It says to hold function in 4, and it should change to USB mode, but as you can see, that is doing nothing for us. And it shouldn't be this complicated. It should just be like, we've used plenty of Bluetooth keyboards. You should be able just to either turn it off and plug it in, then it works, or it should just auto swap between the two. Like, hey, if I'm plugged straight in with the USB-C cable, like I'm going to just type straight to the computer. I'm not Bluetooth, but it clearly does not know the difference.
So yeah, while we have this up, we'll go ahead and show you that obviously the monitor works. That's great. RGB going, it looks kind of cool. And yeah, the headset has a little bit of somewhat RGB going as well. So yeah, unfortunately, we're gonna have to swap the keyboard. And I think this one kind of matches it a little bit better anyways, but you know, we're gonna swap the keyboard because unfortunately it's a dud, and I kind of expected at least one dud in the worst rated roundup. So let's get to gaming.
All right, guys, we are testing out Valorant. I guess the settings really don't matter much, but it looks like we're on like high settings on this 21.5-inch monitor. And I mean, we're definitely not looking bad. So I mean, you know, in terms of clarity and everything, it looks pretty nice. It's 75 hertz, so it's not like the smoothest gameplay, but no, it's definitely not bad. I mean, I could definitely game on this and not have any major complaints. I always like 144 hertz, but you can't always afford it, you know? Sometimes you gotta stick with 75. Yeah, so the mouse though is not bad at all. I'm impressed that this thing is a $5 mouse. I think that's like astonishing that it's $5 and performs the way that it does. Let's go, let's not go. Oh God, that was the same person. Dude, I miss her is really, okay,
Oh,
wow.
I miss her's going hard.
I'm gonna be their last kill, I can feel it in that.
The setup, it's something. I'm gonna give it a shot in my classic favorite game, Fortnite, baby. Woo! All right, guys, of course, on any setup, I gotta play some Fortnite and get my impressions. The smell of the mouse mat is not going away. It's just getting worse. My nose hairs are tingling. But the mouses feel pretty good. I can confirm with Jackson that the mouse actually feels like a pretty good gaming mouse for $5. All right, I see a battle going on here. It's third party. The clicks on this mouse are kind of sussy. Oh, hey, gone fishing 15, you're done. I had like no ammo left either. Oh no, don't shoot me, stop, no! 22-inch monitors are very small. I can definitely say that with a lot of confidence. I used to play on 22-inch monitors, but after switching to like much higher end monitors, it's really hard to go back. Ah! Oh my God, shotgun to the face. I mean, it's the worst rated setup from Amazon. It is what it is. I wouldn't buy any of this stuff. Would not recommend it, but you know what? At least we can play Fortnite and Valorant and have a good time doing so. Let's wrap this video up real quick.
All right, guys, we just got done benchmarking this setup, and the computer was good. I mean, because I wasn't a part of it, but I mean, overall, for the price that we paid for everything, I think we kind of got what we expected. The keyboard, though, that just kind of, I mean, we might be doing something wrong, but the fact that we have to do all that weird stuff to even make it work in the first place, and we couldn't get it working, I'm already giving it a thumbs down. The headset, yeah, it doesn't even really fit to your ears properly, so that's kind of like a no-go. The mouse, I think, is amazing for the price. The monitor, not good for the price, but not a bad monitor. So we will be leaving all alternate links in the description down below. We'll probably have the mouse there though, because that one was cool, but everything else, you know, we know we can do better, so we're gonna give you guys the better parts to get.
So yeah, check those links down below. As Jackson mentioned, some of them will be affiliate links and it will help us out. And let us know down below where you want to see the next setup from, whether it's the worst or the best or PC or whatever you want to see from us. Comment down below.
As always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
And hey, if you want to buy some setups that don't suck, or you just want to buy a gaming computer from us, PCBros.tech.
We sell gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and so much more. And if you use code ToastyBros2 on checkout, you can save 2% off your purchase. Check out the website today. New PCs always being uploaded. See you guys later. Goodbye.